I don't solder as much as I used to, and now with my aging eyes getting worse every month, I decided I really needed some help. So I found these cheap magnifying glasses with multiple lens choices that I wanted to try out. It comes with 8 different lens sets, 16 lenses total, one for each eye. The lenses are labeled how many times they magnify, ranging from 2.5 to 20 times magnification. The glasses have movable LED lights on the sides, which can be turned on individually, and you could access the battery for them underneath that. To connect the lenses, slide the notch on the side into the glasses and just turn it to lock it in. I just used these in a live stream I was doing where I had to lift a single pin of a very fine pitched chip in order to install a mod, and I found these to be really helpful. I actually love how they flip back and forth, so I could decide to just have one open, so I could just switch back and forth and close my eye and go back from a regular view, or my nearsighted vision is getting so bad that I actually had the 2.5x in one eye and then a different one in the other, so I was able to just go back and forth. So when I'm looking down, I could get really close with one and then look with the other when I needed to move back. And I think that's just something that you need to get used to. And I had no problem with it. And basically learned how to use these on that live stream. But you just have to get used to the distance that each of them require. And in a scenario where I was lining up my soldering tools and my dental pick to pull the pin up, I kind of got everything ready with one eye and then closed the eye and other eye and switched it and went in deep to try to make sure that I got it. And I found it to be pretty handy. Now, I didn't actually use the lights in that live stream because I just didn't need to. There was enough light with my camera on and everything, but I'm looking forward to trying those on in future soldering. The only thing I will say is that the higher level magnification ones really aren't designed to be used for things like soldering. They're designed to be used with something right in front of your face. I actually would have really preferred to have these when I got a splinter the other day and had to use 3 different pairs of regular glasses and some fine pitch tweezers to dig it out of my thumb. But just have realistic expectations. They weren't designed for soldering, but I certainly used them for that. And I just think overall it's a good choice because these are lightweight and they're cheap, so you don't really have to worry about investing a lot of money if you're not going to be soldering all the time. And it does also come with a headband to help keep them on, but my giant cranium here is keeping them on very snug and they're not falling off at all. Also, as you can see, these aren't falling down at all either. They're pretty good as long as you click them in their different slots. They don't really fall down that much. So overall, I really like them. I think they're worth the money. And for somebody like me that doesn't solder that often anymore, but definitely needs some help when I do, they're the absolute perfect choice. But if you're somebody who solders all the time, you should really invest in a high quality microscope. I guess maybe some of the more expensive flip down visors, but those often don't have the ability to just flip one eye up at a time. Or if they do, it's a little more cumbersome than this. So for me personally, I'm either going with the cheap solution that definitely works or investing a couple $100 in a good quality microscope.